So I have completed the first steps of the Azure, that is getting an account and then signing in with a subscription. That is, I have Azure for Student subscription, and then I created a resource. If you don't have, you can simply create it using a few steps. And now I'll move to automated ML. Since I have no automated ML tasks here, so I'll simply click on new automated ML run, and then on create dataset from local files. Suppose I give a dataset name as test, and it's only available in the tabular form. Description is not required, so I click on next. And then let us just select what has already been selected, and then move to previously created, and then just move to next. Okay, sorry, it's having some problem. That is, I needed to select my dataset. Sorry for that. I'll simply go to the download part where I've chosen this iris dataset. I'll wait for it to get uploaded. That is generated, it generally takes 1 minute per iteration, and every model that is generated, we can click on the model, and then we can see the visualizations or other details. And when this running status is completed, we'll get the model which is best suited for our data set with the highest accuracy, and once it is done, we can deploy it. So let's wait for it to get on it. After a while, we can see that our model that has been selected is voting ensemble, and due to certain connection problems right now, I cannot get the deployment option at this moment. But when everything goes right, we can see a deployment option right here, and then we can deploy it. And if we see the metrics here, we can see that it has an accuracy of 97.33%. And I think that this model works quite well. And as I've already written that using automated ML, the ML already shows us which model works the best, and from visualizations we can see how our model works in the form of graphs. There are explanations as well, and then there are outputs. If we want to go deeper, we can check what it actually looks like, and this is how we can simply create a model using automated ML. Thank you.